Quranic law and struggles from the 13th of the 7th month of 1446. People are scared of words they neither know the meaning of nor context of. A watering path of a middle way law are a struggle for above and below involves more important than the legal. Those who can't be holistic don't understand how politics and fighting can be moral. Let's not get lost in irrelevant news. Interpreting is beyond collective consent. Differing legal categories reach each soul with what is sent. The greater law is philosophical, and the lesser strife is temporary or national. Exclusivity fades in the bigger and various individual sayings.